Kothari. I'm an aesthetic plastic surgeon. I work at the Hair and Shape Clinic, which is in Malad, Mumbai, India. And today's topic is male aesthetics. In last couple of years, we have seen more patients coming for their aesthetic needs, coming for their improvement in the how they look and to increase their aesthesis. Moreover, now the males are coming for all these procedures. And there is a very important aspect in why the girl should have all the fun. Let me talk about the male aesthetic and what we encountered at my clinic for the male patients. Most of the time they come or the males have demand for their hair loss treatment, hair transplant. Gynecomastia is a male goal, another most common procedure as a male aesthetic procedure, and the six-pack creation or a tummy liposuction or a flank liposuction for better body contouring. Along with that, the laser hair reduction, be it a beard shaping or be it a permanent hair reduction for those patients who have been blessed with a heavy hair on the back, on the chest or anywhere in the body. So these are the procedures has gone on a really increasing trend or increasing graph in my clinic, and I term them the male aesthetic procedures. When I encounter the age group 35 to 45 male individuals, they also come for some rejuvenation of the face, some facelift procedure, neck lift procedure, thread lifts, filler or a neurotoxin to relax their forehead. Genital male aesthetics is also coming up like anything. People want to have a good confidence when they are encountering or when they have a sexual interactions, and the penile enlargement or penile lengthening or genitals whitening, permanent hair reduction from the bottom areas, these are demanding interventions or demanding procedures by male individuals. So to summarize, the male aesthetic procedures is going to be increased or is going to be more in next 5 years, because that's what we have seen in our clinic. Again, when we travel across the globe, we have seen that this is a very common procedures in those countries. That definitely India is the big country with lots of demand in the aesthetic. It's one of the fastest growing economy, and these procedures are very much commonly done now. So guys, I'm Umang Kothari again signing off for this episode. Keep watching this channel. I'm going to talk about one of the most interesting stuff in plastic surgery from the aesthetic side.